Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Belle Tribe TV. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a pizza dough comparison. I'm going to compare my pizza dough to store-bought. Now here's what we're going to need. 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3.5 cups of flour, and 1¼ cup of lukewarm water. We're going to start off by adding the yeast and the sugar to the 1¼ cups of water. We're going to get that all mixed together before we move on to the next step. And we do not have to let this yeast sit because it's instant yeast. So we're going to add the salt to the flour, get that mixed well, and then we're going to add the olive oil and mix that in a little bit. Now what we're going to do is make a well in the center of the flour so we can pour our yeast water into the dry mixture. We're going to mix the mixture until the wet is incorporated with the dry ingredients before we start the kneading process. Okay, now we're into the kneading process. And this kneading process is no joke, guys. You literally have to knead this dough a good 10 to 12 minutes. And it's very tiring, but kind of satisfying. So I kneaded this dough for a total of about 10 minutes, as you'll see. I'm going to speed it up a little bit more here because we don't want to watch me knead for 10 minutes. But for the record, you need to consistently knead the dough for about 10 minutes to get a good texture in your pizza dough. Now that I've kneaded the dough for about 10 minutes, now I'm putting it in a perfectly round little circle, and I'm going to add some olive oil so that it does not stick to my saran wrap and it doesn't stick to my bowl. And it also just gives the dough a little bit of extra flavor. And we're going to place it in the bowl, let it sit and rise. My pizza dough. Store-bought pizza dough. As you can see here, I've let both of the pizza doughs rise a little bit. So now we're going to start making the toppings for the pizza. Okay, we got Belle Tribe TV made pizza dough. And we got store-bought pizza dough. We're doing a comparison today. Stay tuned. So, I'm not even supposed to be talking in this video because I'm going to do a voiceover. But we have our doughs resting. And we're going to start sauteing some veggies for the pizzas. The slice on that was, ooh. Don't mind me, guys.
Oh, it's like
I'm just
butter.
using a new knife.
It's like butter, baby.
So at this point, I'm just about to get the dough ready to roll out and put on the pizza pan. I'm starting with my homemade dough first. I do not have a rolling pin, so I'm going to use the closest thing to it to flatten out my pizza dough as best I can. Here are all the toppings I'll be using. Tomato sauce, of course. I have some fresh sliced mozzarella, some regular mozzarella, turkey pepperoni, a little bit of leftover lobster, some sauteed peppers, olives, and roasted artichokes. Have our pizza out of the oven, and we have some special taste testers here. You guys want to introduce yourselves? We'll start with you.
Hi, I'm David. I'm Khalil.
Okay, so you guys are gonna test out your pieces. Okay, so the thinner pizza is the store-bought pizza, and the thicker crust pizza is the pizza dough that I made homemade. Go ahead, taste test. I made both the pizzas, by the way, so it's just a difference in the crust, store-bought and homemade. Let me know which one you prefer after you taste both of them. Go ahead and taste both of them first.
So the store-bought pizza, it was okay. I didn't really like the crust at all. I feel like it was too crunchy for me. But like this one definitely gave me like, I don't know, it was really nice because it was like nice, smooth. It went down easy. It was like, I don't know, I really liked the homemade pizza because like it was really soft and the crust was extremely soft. It was like one of my favorite parts of it. And I usually don't even like the crust, so it's pretty good.
Thanks. Good review.
I like the homemade one better
Cool.
because
This one?
it was more of a chewier one, and then the bought one was like more of a hard.
Okay. So you like more of
Like
a
you could tell
bready
that it was
type
frozen.
crust
Yeah,
rather than a
hard.
crunchy crust?
Like you could tell that it was frozen.
Okay.
Before it, like, I really like that.
All right, thanks.
Well, I liked both equally, but like I would have to go with the homemade one because it was like more chewier and like I like that consistency. And yeah, so I would have to, and like the store-bought one was like really hard and crunchy,
Okay.
and like it was kind of hard for me to like take down. So like I really like this homemade one.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the pizza. Thank
good.
you for judging it. And you all picked my crust. So I'm pretty excited about that.
I don't really like hard stuff. It's just not my. Besides Jolly Ranchers, I really like Jolly Ranchers.
I like maybe the second day too, so I can have to like.
All right, well, thanks for watching this video. Can you guys tell everybody what they need to do?
Like and subscribe and comment.
Eat
Like,
her pizza.
subscribe, share to your
That's what
friends.
All right.
Or don't. I mean, it's your
Share.
choice. I can't stop you. But I would like you to.